Hey guys, Mike and Ian from Urban Automotive, Oakville,
Hi,
Ontario, Canada. Here today to talk about what we do a little differently here at Urban Automotive compared to the average repair shop when it comes to doing seasonal tire changes. We do something a little different. What is that, Ian?
Well, every car that comes in, we do a courtesy visual inspection on it, even if it's not here for regular service or if it's even near new, like the vehicle we have behind me today.
And how many points is this visual inspection?
10 to 12, so it depends on the car and what it's equipped with.
And what do we charge the customer for this inspection?
Nothing.
And you mentioned this car being new behind us. How many kilometers are on it?
There's 15,000 kilometers on this car. It is a 2020 Jaguar F-Pace.
So most shops would be, why would you even open the hood with 15,000 K? But on our inspection, what are we looking for? Can you show everybody on your tablet?
Well, so on the tablet we have an inspection form with our, green, yellow, and red.
And what does the green, yellow, and red mean?
Well, green means good, yellow means pay attention, but something may be coming in the near future, and red is, well, an important thing that needs attention right away.
Nice. Okay, so in this case we've got all green except for...
Well, there's two things. We don't know the history of the oil service, and with 15,000 kilometers on it, oil service is important. I did check the level. The level was okay, but the color of the oil is dark, so without any indication of if an oil change has ever been done, it's certainly important to recommend that.
And the more important pressing issue is?
Well, the more important pressing issue is that when we check all the fluid levels as part of doing the courtesy inspections, not only do we check the fluid levels, we also check lights, wipers, some various quick operational checks.
Tire pressures.
Tire pressures, of course. In this case, we're doing tires, so we set the tire pressures as part of the job. But we did find on this vehicle a low coolant issue. So if you can see over here on the coolant bottle, you just turn the, they're right about there. It's kind of hard to see with the light, but you can see up in this area here, there's a min-max arrows. And then you can also see that the coolant level is a couple of lines down below where that min-max is. So it's certainly something that needs attention. This vehicle being under warranty, we want the dealership to see the fact that the coolant is in fact low, so that they have reason under warranty to go looking for a potential coolant leak or coolant loss issue.
So there you have added value. Thank you very much, Ian, for that. Added value when you come to Urban Automotive, what we do and how we take care of our customers. Because what is our main focus, Ian?
Safety first, and the satisfaction of our customers is what drives us.
Thanks for watching, guys.